Imagine this, you make one YouTube video and in seconds, it turns into 5 ready-to-post social media captions for Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and short description. No copy-paste, no ChatGPT tabs. I built this free n8n and I will teach you how to build it step by step. Hey everyone, I'm Shahir and I build no-code automation that saves creators time and help them grow faster. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make this automation in n8n from start to finish. And don't worry, I will paste the AI prompt and workflow code in the description so you can use them right away. Here is the issue most creators face. You post a video, but then you need 5 different captions for Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and your community post. It takes forever to rewrite the same message 5 times. This simple automation fixes that completely. What if you could upload your transcript, walk away, and come back to 5 posts written automatically? That's what this automation does. It connects your transcript file, sends it to AI, formats the text, and save it directly into Google Sheet. Alright, let's begin and build it together. Step 1 is your n8n workflow. You must know what is n8n. I have already made the automation and I will go through from each step so that you guys may know what are they and how to build it. The very first node is a trigger node. It is the basic and the important building block of n8n automation. It will trigger your workflow. The second node is binary to text conversion node. Read transcript file. It reads file that is saved in your device, in your PC, and then convert it into a data, which is text to data conversion. You can find it here in this your n8n nodes. If you write read, you will find it here. Okay, the file path. It is the file path where my .txt file is being saved, and it includes the transcript of my video. If I run it, let's see, test setup. Okay, it converts that .txt file into data. And what's inside the data? Let's see. View. Yes, it is the whole transcript. Okay, the next step is to convert into text. The data that is coming towards us in a binary form is being then converted into JSON file. Here, you will see that binary to JSON. I convert the data from binary to JSON, and the source is data. This is the source, data. I put it here, and the destination key is transcript. I convert the data and named it as transcript. Let's test it again. Yes, transcript. It is properly converted. Excellent. Let's move to the very next step. The very next step is set node. You can find it here, set, right, set, and here it is, the set node. Place it here. And the purpose of set node is to convert the data into proper format. The set node is doing the converting the data into proper format. It is getting the transcript here, this one, and then converting into a data. Write it as I have written. Okay, let's run it. It's working fine. Okay, the next node is the main node, and it is the brain of this whole automation. The purpose of it is to take the transcript of your video, of your communication XYZ, and then convert it into ready to make posts for social media platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And the important and the great thing about this AI agent is that it also makes image generation prompts of that particular post, so you don't have to worry about the images as well. Okay, the AI agent node. The AI agent node contains user message, which is a prompt. I will paste this prompt in the description. You don't have to worry about it. Just copy paste it, and it will generate an excellent output data. And the services we are using the AI agent. Okay, the very next node is the code node. Here is the code. I will place this code in the description, and code is to save the data in a Google Sheet. I have already made the video that how to connect your Google Sheet with you in n8n. So don't worry, I will paste the link of that video as well so you can easily understand it and do it. Okay, let's run. I have already data inside it and let's test it. Okay, before testing it, let me go to my Google Sheet. No, I think I don't have to go to Google Sheet. I will show you here the output of it. Okay, let's run it. Test workflow. It's running. It will take few seconds, not more. It's working very fine. And it is saving the data. You have to go to Google Sheet whether it is fine or not. Click here. Click here the tabs. Okay, it's fine. It is making Facebook post. Just realized sales rep waste, etc. etc. Image prompt. It is also generating image prompt from Facebook, WhatsApp. No image prompt from WhatsApp. As LinkedIn, great. Instagram, Reddit, excellent. It is working really fine. And I have tested its post. You can also test it, the posts or the output posts of this inside by giving prompt to GPT, and you will know that the quality of these posts are excellent. They are working really fine. The automation is working very fine. Okay, and that's enough for today. If you want this workflow, just comment workflow below. I will drop the link in the pinned comment and description. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me what automation you want me to build next time. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Stay blessed.